To hide app icon pages when the Do Not Disturb mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification and then tap Do Not Disturb. Tap hide notification and then tap the gray on off switch next to hide app icon pages until the switch turns blue to turn this option on. To see how it works, turn on Do Not Disturb mode. You can enable it either from the quick panel or from the Do Not Disturb menu. As the example, we will enable Do Not Disturb from the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top right of the screen to open up the quick panel. And then find the Do Not Disturb button. Tap the Do Not Disturb button to enable Do Not Disturb mode. Now, when you are receiving a new notification, let's say from WhatsApp, while your screen is on and Do Not Disturb mode is on, you can see that your phone will not display the app icon pages and the WhatsApp icon. As a note, the setting will be applied during the Do Not Disturb mode only. In other words, once the Do Not Disturb mode is off, you can see that your phone will display the app icon pages again on those apps that have unread notification, except to those apps you set to not display the app icon pages. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.